When you think of manufacturing, do you picture dirty work floors, noisy machines, and oily clothes? Well, it's not like that anymore. Many of today's top manufacturers feature skilled technicians in high-tech environments, operating computer-controlled machinery including robotics, mechatronics, programmable logic controllers, 3D printers, and many more state-of-the-art technologies.
I think that what people don't understand about manufacturing are the opportunities. It's about computer-driven equipment, it's about robotics, it's about smart manufacturing.
As manufacturing grows in this country, there will be need for more and more people to adopt manufacturing, to learn manufacturing. We use the most advanced equipments that are out there. We believe in investing in technology, and we stay true to that statement.
When you now train for a job in manufacturing, you're putting yourself on a stable career path with plenty of opportunity to advance in the field.
Within manufacturing, there's a lot of opportunity to grow. So you can grow on the production floor in many different presses, lots of different skills, providing you a lot of value and opportunity, all the way to engineering and sales and management. Most of our employees that are in those higher level positions started in production.
Become part of the next industrial revolution. Enter the exciting world of modern manufacturing. It's not your grandfather's workplace anymore.
Check out Carroll's high-tech manufacturing training programs today.